Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today I'm going to do unboxing and first impression of Motorola G42. Now, yeah, I've already done the unboxing because I purchased it on Flipkart and it was an open delivery. So just to make sure that device is okay, I made an unboxing at the time of delivery. But do not worry, I'm going to show you what else you get in the box and how is the packaging and all. So let's just not waste the time. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and let's start the video. So guys, before showing you the unboxing experience and all, if you want to know the price, Motorola G42 will cost you around 13,999 on Flipkart. And if your budget is not for Motorola G52, which will cost you 16,500, then you might or you can take a look at Motorola G42 because the basic specifications are same. Talking about the display is a bit different, but talking about the overall feel and processor and Android experience and all, both the phones are identical. Just some minor changes have been made in Motorola G42. So if your budget is somewhere around 14,000, you should take a look at Motorola G52. Now, in terms of unboxing experience, as you can see, if you open the box, the first thing you get is the device, and you do get some user manuals and SIM card ejector, which is not here, I guess. It is here. Sorry, it is here. So SIM ejector tool and some documentation in the box, and you do get 20-watt adapter in this one for charging, and you do get type A to type C cable. So it's going to take a lot of time to charge your device. It comes with 5000 mAh battery, and charging 5000 mAh battery with 20-watt adapter, I think it might take 2 hours or 2 hours 15 minutes or 30 minutes, I guess. So it's just a guess. Let's keep all the things aside and let's take a look at the device now. So this is the device, as you can see. Now let's remove the case, and one thing, you do get this silicone case with this device over here. So it has a decent quality, I would say. Now let's talk about the looks and the build quality of Motorola G52. In terms of design, I think this device is particularly good looking, and it is a bit different when compared to Motorola's other phones. There is a camera bump on this one, which looks actually great. It comes with triple camera setup, and the finish on this camera housing is, I guess, it is metal, but the overall build of the device is plastic. But I think they have changed the color this time. Usually Motorola comes with white and that gray color, but this time this is, I think, bluish green something kind of. So it actually gives a good texture or the good look to this particular device over here. Plastic build. And talking about the display, it comes with the punch hole design. Bezels are definitely there, as you can see. Chin is bit noticeable, but side bezels are less. Only top and bottom bezels, you can notice it. But overall build quality is great. Now talking about the ports and buttons, you do get 3.5 port at the top, noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side, you do get volume rockers and power button, which also doubles as fingerprint scanner. Now talking about the bottom, you do get stereo speaker output over here, and microphone once again. And on the left hand side, you do get SIM slot or SIM tray. Now talking about the SIM tray, it comes with dedicated SD card slot, so you can use 2 SIM card and 1 SD card. So that is a good thing. Overall design and build quality of this particular device is definitely great, I would say. I actually love the design more than Motorola G42. It looks good in hand, and in hand feel is definitely good, and build is also good. Now let's talk about the display over here. It comes with 6.4-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. So it is not POLED, which is in Motorola G52. It comes with AMOLED display. And talking about the refresh rate, it comes with 60 Hz of refresh rate, which is actually disappointing. But there are, as I told you, there are minor changes in both these devices. So 60 Hz panel. Now talking about the brightness, it comes with 700 nits of brightness, so there won't be any problem as such in outdoor if you're using it outdoor. So overall display performance, I think display touch response is good. I am not facing any issue right now, but I'll let you know if there is any changes in terms of usage and all for the display. Now talking about the other thing, it comes with wideband L1 support, so OTT content you can stream in full HD, so that is a good thing. And stereo speaker output. So the secondary speaker is integrated in earpiece itself. In Motorola G52 you will find secondary dedicated speaker. So yeah, that is again one change in Motorola G42. So overall multimedia experience is going to be great. Stereo speakers output, wideband L1 support, and OLED display. So that is good thing. And even the phone doesn't feel bulky in your hand, and one hand use is, I think, okay in this one. So overall display output and multimedia wise, it is a good device. Now talking about the hardware and software of Motorola G42, it comes with Snapdragon 680 processor, which is same in Motorola G52, and 6 nanometer processor, and it is going to be definitely power efficient. In terms of Antutu score, you will get it somewhere around 2,40,000 or 2,70,000, in between that same range only. Overall, performance wise, it is a decent processor. Many mid-range processor you will come to see that many of the companies are using this processor, because in mid-range device currently Snapdragon 680 is, I think, okay. The performance of Snapdragon 680 is decent. It is not on the higher side. In terms of BGMI gameplay, you will find medium settings on this one, and there is no lag for now. I've tried playing a couple of games on this particular device over here, but overall I think Snapdragon 680 is battery efficient, is power efficient, and performance wise it is decent. So day-to-day task will be easily done on this particular device over here. Now talking about the other things, it comes with 5000 mAh battery, and as I told you, it comes with 20 watt adapter. So charging is one thing which I need to check how much time does it take. So there will be a dedicated battery drain test and battery charging test on Motorola G42. And now talking about the software, it comes with Android 12 out of the box, and Motorola has promised one major update, which is Android 13 will be provided in this one, and 3 years of security updates. So that is a good thing. So if you are investing your 13 or 14,000 in this device, yeah, at least you are going to get Android 13 in this one. Now, yeah, as I told you, you get 3 years of security update. So it comes with ThinkShield security, which is again an additional thing in terms of security. So overall, hardware and software, I would say it is balanced, and Motorola G42 is definitely one thing you should take a look at. Now talking about the other things, talking about the connectivity, so it has Bluetooth 5.0. You do get support of 4G Volt, Wi-Fi calling, dual band Wi-Fi, 2x2 MIMO. So the network reception on this particular device would be good, and it has NFC support. So that is again a good thing. So overall connectivity wise, you won't face any problem. And sensor wise, there are many sensors. Proximity sensor is there, gyroscope is there, accelerometer is there, and fingerprint scanner and face unlock is also supported in G42. So sensor wise, yeah, all the sensors are present. Now let's talk about camera. I haven't tested the camera yet because it's only been one day since I've started using this device. So overall, talking about the camera setup, it comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel is the triple camera. And talking about the selfie, you do get 16 megapixel selfie shooter over here. Now talking about the video resolution, you can shoot up to 1080p 30 fps from front and rear camera. So yeah, that is a limitation. If you're looking for a 4K resolution, then I think Motorola G42 might not be an option for you. But overall, if you want decent picture quality, as I told you, I haven't got much time to test it, but the pictures which I've clicked, I think the output is okay till now, and there is much more things to test on this particular device. But overall output from selfie and the main camera is, I think, good for now. So now talking about the final impression, should you really buy a Motorola G42 or not? See, at the price point of 14,000, it is definitely a balanced phone, because if you don't want to spend that extra 2,500 on Motorola G52, then I think it is a good option to look at, because you do get 1 year update on this one, and camera quality for now it is decent, and definitely there are much more videos coming on this one. So in detail review will be definitely there on the channel, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel for that future videos. So I think for now Motorola G52 looks promising at the price of 14,000. So I think, yeah, it is a good option to look at. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button here and subscribe button as well, and you can also share this video with your friends. So I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.